Welcome to Singapore. After a long flight, let's head to Chinatown to enjoy delicious food. Chinatown is an ethnic enclave in Singapore's Outram district, featuring distinctly Chinese cultural elements and historically having a concentrated ethnic Chinese population. This neighborhood is brimming with life, boasting historic shophouses, modern eateries, and hip bars. Must-visit spots include Ann Siang Hill, Club Street, Amoy Street, Duxton Hill, Keong Saik Road, and more. On Friday and Saturday evenings, Ann Siang Road and Club Street transform into lively pedestrian streets with bars and restaurants spilling onto the sidewalks. Amoy Street offers a range of dining options for food lovers, whether they're looking for a quick bite or an after-work drink. Skip the crowds at Amoy Street Food Centre and try out the street's restaurants for an unforgettable lunchtime experience. Keong Saik Road, once a red light district in the 60s, is now a vibrant neighborhood with local eats, French and Italian cuisine, and cool bars. Located near Chinatown, it offers plenty to do, from exploring the hottest food spots to admiring the wall art in the area. When visiting Singapore, don't forget to include Chinatown in your list of must-see destinations, as it offers many interesting places to explore and experience. Enjoy Chinatown and enjoy Singapore.